If you need help with Calendly, there are a couple of simple ways to contact support, and in this video, I'll walk you through both of them step by step. Whether you're running into a scheduling issue, a billing question, or something not working the way it should, this guide will help you get in touch with the right support option as quickly as possible. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump in. The first method is using Calendly's live chat or feedback option from inside your dashboard. To start, log into your Calendly account and go to your main dashboard. Once you're in, look toward the bottom left corner of the page. You should see the help option there. Click it to open the support menu. After you click help, choose the option that says give feedback. This is where Calendly lets you submit an issue or request assistance. Next, you'll be asked to choose a category for your message. For example, if you're having a technical issue, select something like I ran into a problem. Picking the correct category helps route your request to the right place faster. Once you've selected the category, click Next and then describe the problem clearly. Be specific about what happened, what you were trying to do, and what error you saw, if any. The more detail you include, the easier it is for the support team to understand and respond effectively. After that, Calendly will ask for your email address so they can contact you back. Enter the email tied to your account, then click Done or Send to submit your request. That is the first way to contact Calendly support. And it's especially useful if you want to report a problem directly from inside the app. Now, let's go over the second method, which is email support. This is a straightforward option and it works for all users, including free plans. To use this method, open your email provider and compose a new message to support@calendly.com. In the subject line, write a short summary of your issue so the team can quickly understand what the message is about. In the body of the email, explain your issue in as much detail as possible. Include what you were doing, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened instead. If there's a screenshot or error message, it can also help to include that in your email. If you're asking about an account payment or scheduling issue, make sure to mention any relevant details so support can investigate faster. After you've written your message, double-check everything for accuracy, then hit send. Once your email is submitted, the Calendly support team can review it and respond directly through your inbox. So to recap, if you want to contact Calendly support, you can either use the help menu inside your dashboard and submit feedback, or you can email support@calendly.com directly. Both options are simple, and the best one depends on how urgent or detailed your issue is. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.